Hello friends, today we are going to learn more about calculation using functions in Excel. Some basic functions you are going to learn here by taking some real-time scenarios. So this is sales data of a shop. We have products tea, coffee, milk, juice and the sales against each product. Tea 85, coffee 120, milk 95, juice 60. Now what is our task here is to basically calculate total sale, average sale, count number of products with sales above 80. Now simply we can use a function called sum. Now it's asking for the number 1, number 2. What and all we are going to sum here? We are going to sum the products sale. So click the cursor in D7 and just simply drag it and close the bracket. So you get the total sale. Now what is average? Average function is nothing. To calculate the mean, just type average. Choose the average function, the bracket open. Now it's asking again same number 1, number 2, number 3. Just keep the cursor in D7 and just drag it and close the bracket. Now the average sale is 90. Now to count the number of products with a sale above 80, we can use a function called COUNTIF equal to COUNTIF bracket open and it's asking for the range. So the Excel will tell you what we have to do next. Now range, what is the range here? This is the range from D7 to D10. Now what is our criteria here? Greater than 80. So always criteria put it in the double quotes. Now the result is 3. So here we can learn 3 functions: sum, average, COUNTIF. Okay. So the COUNTIF function I told you here is basically to count the sale value greater than 80. Now you see these 3 products are greater than 80.